In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where Premiere Pro keeps crashing when you're exporting your project. So if you keep getting these random crashes when you're trying to export something, there's actually a couple of things we can do to solve this issue. So the first step is just to click on Edit in the top navigation, click on Preferences and select Media Cache. Now next to where it says Remove Media Cache Files, click on Delete. Click on Delete Unused Media Cache Files and press OK. Then give that a couple of seconds while it goes and runs, and you can then close out of this window. The next thing you can try doing is clicking back on File in the top navigation, select Export, and then select Media. Now, when you go to export your project, if it's still crashing, you can click on the Video tab to expand the drop-down, scroll all the way down and select More, scroll down again, and where it says Encoder Settings Performance, we're going to click on this drop-down arrow and select Software Encoding. Now, once you have this selected, you can go and press Export. If that's still not working, another thing you can do is click on File in the top navigation, click on Export, and select Send to Adobe Media Encoder. This will go and launch the Media Encoder onto your computer. If you don't already have this installed, then you can download it for free on the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Now, once your project is in the Adobe Media Encoder, all you simply need to do is click on the play button over here, and then it will begin rendering your video. Now, if it's still not working, you'll need to check the storage space on your system. So if I head over to my computer, you can see here that I have 75 gigabytes available out of 458. So if this is running low and you're running out of storage space, this will be another reason why Adobe Premiere Pro can start crashing. So in order to fix this, what you can do is click on the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup and click on the Disk Cleanup tool. Now go and select Cleanup System Files. Make sure all of these boxes here are ticked, and then you can go and press OK. Now, the last thing to do is open back up Adobe Premiere Pro, click on Edit in the top navigation, click on Preferences, and select Memory. Now, what you need to do is decrease this number here, RAM reserved for other applications, to the lowest number possible. So you can see mine set to 3 gigabytes, which basically means we have 20 gigabytes available for Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, this does mean your background applications may slow down slightly, but it means you'll get maximum performance when exporting projects in Premiere Pro. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.